Hi, I'm Rich with insideHPC. We're here at the GPU Technology Conference in San Jose, and I'm here with Pierre Spatz from Murex. You know, Pierre, last year we were here and we shot a video and you talked to me about GPUs on Wall Street, and this was one of my most popular videos of the year. The hits were through the roof. So I thought we'd get together this year and, well, what's happened since? What's new?
So Rich, happy to be there again at the GTC.
You're my rock
The
star.
only conference I'm going.
Yeah.
Anyway,
okay.
Because the GPUs really are the center point of the performance solution for finance at the moment.
Yeah.
And really, as I said to you last year, we see that we are at the tipping point. Last year we had only one customer really live on the solution. Now we've got several. They are really happy. Simply, they have reduced the number of computers, and really the results are arriving far quickly.
So they're using less,
less hardware,
machines,
more precision,
more precision,
and quicker results.
And quicker results.
And since now we got more regulation, they can also run the new reports. And it's often funny in a regulation what we see. We see, for instance, that you should compute your result as fast as the technology enables you to do it. So it means that if somebody succeeds to be fast, everybody has to be fast.
Yeah.
And this regulation is growing and growing. It is the center problem of all of us, being bank or software provider.
Yep. They're definitely trying to keep tabs on what's going on there. So, can you describe the nature of the code you're running? Is it like a Monte Carlo kind of things, or what are you doing? Yeah.
PDEs and Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
Or huge number of simple analytics. Huge number of simple analytics is in fact the most complex problem, because on one side the analytics can be speed up a lot by GPU, but on the other side you need to gather input and then send back the outputs. So you need also to think about how you will do it in the big data world. So you've got both worlds merging. So storage, in-memory database, all these things are arriving in finance a lot.
Yeah. Is there a lot of inherent parallelism on both sides of that equation, or just the one side?
I think we got parallelism on both sides.
Yeah.
On all the sides. Simply, these are problems which are not localized as before in a simple, very complex formula. We need to modify again our system. And it's quite difficult, but I'm confident that we will succeed.
Okay. So last time we talked, the GPU of the day was the Fermi Tesla machine, right? Now we have Kepler. Have you tried those out for yourself?
Yeah.
Or how's that
we have received Kepler for some time.
Yeah.
Okay, and we got them running. We are still improving the performance, as everybody else here. Okay, every new generation brings new features. Some of them can be used in our world, some of them cannot be used. Also, sometimes you need to modify a bit the code. But the important thing is that each time we receive these new cards, they are at least as good as the previous one on current code without modification.
Okay.
And then it takes us 1 year to improve, while at the same time NVIDIA team is improving the drivers.
Yeah. Now I wanted to ask you that kind of a wrap up here. What did you see this week that has you excited about the future?
I saw the announcement of the new Karma called Kyla. We have already tested the ARM dev kit. And it works. It has some drawbacks. Problem of PCI Express.
But it's a development platform, right?
But apart from that, it works perfectly. Our code runs on it perfectly. So we could go in production with Karma dev kits if necessary. So this new Kyla means that NVIDIA is continuing to work in this direction. We know also that the Tegra chip will look like a Kyla in the future. So we really see what was said about merging HPC business and mobile business arriving. And I think it's a great news, because today we are using more GPUs than we use the x86, which is in the host. So in fact, we don't need it anymore.
Yeah, because you can boot this Kayla device. It runs Linux, right, on the ARM side, and then you've got the GPU tightly coupled right there.
And it's perfectly packaged by NVIDIA. The good thing, because we don't know, we have never compiled anything on ARM. Okay. Never done it. Okay.
Yeah.
But when you receive this kit, everything is installed.
Yeah.
You just plug it like a PlayStation, and it works.
And
it is a bit the new PlayStation.
And you can just do CUDA things on this platform.
Exactly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sometimes you need some cross compilation, but if you are at the low level of CUDA, as I am, you even not need any cross compilation.
Oh.